Welcome to Pi News World, your trusted source for the latest Pi Network news, Pi coin price updates, mainnet ecosystem developments, official core team announcements, KYC and migration updates, and everything every pioneer needs to know. If you believe in the future of Pi Network, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Now let's get started. Today we have an important update covering three major topics that every Pi Network supporter should understand. We will discuss the latest Pi coin price movement, explain the official Pi unlock data, and review what is happening across the Pi mainnet ecosystem. These topics have attracted significant attention because many pioneers are wondering whether the increasing number of unlocked Pi coins will affect the market. Others want to know whether the Pi ecosystem is continuing to grow and whether the project is still moving toward wider adoption. Let's begin with the latest price update. Over the past few days, Pi coin has continued to experience normal market fluctuations. Like many digital assets, price movements are influenced by buying activity, selling pressure, market sentiment, liquidity, and broader cryptocurrency trends. It is important to remember that short-term price changes do not always reflect the long-term value of a project. Many successful blockchain projects have experienced periods of volatility before reaching greater adoption. For Pi Network, the long-term vision remains much bigger than daily price movements. The project is focused on building a decentralized ecosystem where millions of users can use Pi for real-world transactions, digital services, and decentralized applications. Thus to one of today's biggest topics, the official Pi unlock data. Many people hear the phrase token unlock and immediately become concerned that the price could fall dramatically. However, understanding what a token unlock actually means is essential. A token unlock refers to Pi becoming available after previously being locked, according to the owner's chosen lockup period. During mining and migration, many users voluntarily selected different lockup durations to support the network and potentially increase their mining rewards. As those lockup periods expire, some of those coins become available for use. This does not automatically mean that all unlocked Pi will be sold on the market. In reality, every pioneer has different goals. Some users may continue holding their Pi for the future because they believe the ecosystem will become more valuable over time. Others may use their Pi inside the growing ecosystem by purchasing products or services from merchants who accept Pi. Some may choose to support new Pi applications developed by community developers. And yes, some users may decide to sell part of their holdings. Because everyone makes different decisions, unlocked Pi does not necessarily create immediate selling pressure. Market behavior depends on many factors, including demand, adoption, ecosystem growth, and investor confidence. Another important point is that Pi Network has one of the largest communities in the cryptocurrency industry, with millions of engaged users around the world. A strong community often plays an important role in supporting long-term ecosystem growth. Developers continue building applications designed specifically for the Pi ecosystem. Merchants continue exploring ways to accept Pi as payment. Community events continue introducing new users to the network. Each of these developments contributes to the overall strength of the ecosystem. When evaluating Pi Network, many experienced observers suggest looking beyond short-term price movements and paying attention to long-term adoption. The success of any cryptocurrency ultimately depends on whether people actually use it. The more useful applications, businesses, marketplaces, and services that accept Pi, the stronger the ecosystem may become over time. That is why ecosystem growth remains one of the most important indicators to watch. In the next section, we will examine the latest mainnet ecosystem developments, discuss what they could mean for the future of Pi Network, and explain why many pioneers are closely following these updates.